Well, taking I was going to say, that was the well, as you can see here, look, that was the Vans RV-6 we've just seen come over anyway. So as you can see, that was the second biplane we've just seen come over, which that was the Vans RV-6. That was. And as you can see, that registration here I've not seen before is G-RKID, that is. As you can see here though, that's just took off from Perranporth Airfield anyway. As you can see, that's just literally just took off from Perranporth Airfield just around 12:08 PM. It's literally just took off at Perranporth Airfield just around 12:08 PM. And as you can see from here, he was literally just turning out a diagonal way. It was literally around, it was literally just about 1,000 feet. It was about 1,000 feet. He was from here anyway. It was literally just about 1,000. He was literally just under 1,000 feet. He was anyway. So yeah, it was literally just about under 1,000 feet from here anyway. But I think it was only just about 10,000 feet from here where we did. So he was literally just about 10,000 feet. He was. So yeah, and then he's literally just dropped over as he was at 750 feet. He was just then. Came over quite a low pass, I'll have to say, because I think talking about it just came over a low pass anyway. I don't know what this is operated by anyway, because because obviously that registration I've seen, as you can see, it's the same one. It's G-RKID, and that probably shows me that probably has been taken off over at Manchester City Airport. I think that's where it's come from. It's based, I believe, anyway. Probably from Manchester City Airport. I think it's came from City Airport anyway, somewhere over Manchester. So that's where he came out from his base at Manchester City Airport, which I think that's where it's based from anyway. Based at Manchester City Airport. Okay, so yeah, I think it's probably now going back to Perranporth Airfield now, I believe anyway. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.